Hello everyone, if you just took delivery of your new Tesla, you have to watch this tutorial video to ensure the safest driving experience. By taking the time to properly set up your car, you will not only increase your safety on the road, but also enhance your overall driving experience. Now let's get started. First, you want to go to pedal and steering, change acceleration to chill, and go to steering mode, change to comfort. Because I think standard and sport is too heavy for the steering wheel. For the stop mode, change to hold. And make sure you turn on apply brake when regenerative braking is limited. That way when your car is fully charged, it can still apply brakes. In autopilot, turn on auto steering, click yes. And full self-driving visualization preview, also yes. For the set speed, make sure you change to current speed, that way the car doesn't suddenly accelerate or decelerate. You should also turn on automatic blind spot camera. This is extremely useful when you're switching lanes. You will get live view video feedback, depends on which direction you are turning to. So make sure keep this option on. And also turn on blind spot collision warning chime. For a speed limit warning, you should change that to display. That way you don't keep getting alert telling you that you are over speed. For the forward collision warning, make sure you switch this to early. That way you can get notified ASAP. And lane departure avoidance, put on assistant. For the rest of the options, make sure you turn all of them on. They are either really important for your safety or it could enhance your overall driving experience. Under locks, make sure you turn on window lock, walk-away door lock, and turn on driver door unlock mode. With this option, it only unlocks the driver's side door when you unlock the car. This prevents people sneaking into your car from the back side of the door or the passenger side of the door. So it enhances the safety. Make sure you turn off unlock on park. That way, every time when you switch to park, the doors are still locked. Only if you want to exit the vehicle, then you can unlock all the doors. This also prevents random people jump into your car or even hijack your car. Turn on notification for doors and window left open. Turn on lock confirmation sound and close windows on lock. That way, if you forgot to close the window, once you lock the car, all the windows will be closed automatically. In the lighting, for headlights, make sure you switch that to auto. Dome lights, switch to auto. For auto turn signal, switch to auto cancel. This is actually a new update, so every time when you merge, fork, or lane change using the turn signal, after you complete the lane change, the turn signal will automatically cancel. Turn on auto high beam and headlights after exit. This is really useful if your surroundings are dark. Your headlights will turn off automatically after a short period of time. Also turn on steering wheel lights. This will enhance your driving experience. Now let's go to display. For the appearance, you want to change to auto. That way during daylight, will automatically change to light, and night will automatically switch to dark. The rest of the options are really personal, so if you want to change the language, the unit, you can change everything right here. But for myself, I'll just leave it as. Under navigation, turn on automatic navigation. This way in the morning for myself, I don't even have to type in my work address. It will automatically start the navigation to work. Same as when I get off work going home. I will also turn on trip planner and online routing. For myself, I would also turn on avoid ferry, avoid tolls. So this is up to yourself to turn on the last two options. Under safety, sentry mode, you will want to turn that on. That way, if you go somewhere that doesn't have security cameras, your car can always record what's the surroundings. Also checkmark excludes home, work, favorites. Sentry mode roughly costs 1% battery per hour. Also turn on camera-based detection, view live cameras, access. That way you can see the live view from your cell phone. Also turn on disable sentry sound. For dashcam, switch it to auto and turn on the option on honk. That way it automatically saves if there's emergency event happens, for example like airbag deployed, and when you honk the car, it will also automatically save the clip. You also want to turn on allow mobile access, that way you can control everything through your phone. For glove box pin, make sure you turn this on, that way not everybody can access to your glove box. And for pin to drive, I would personally keep it off, because if you keep it on every single time when you drive, you need to tap in the pin. It's just too much hassle to deal with. So if you don't give access to everybody, then I don't think you need to turn that on. For cabin overheat protection, I would keep it off for now. You can always turn on this option when the weather is warmer. Where I live right now is still kind of cold, so I will leave it off. Under software, for software update preference, you want to switch that to advanced, because if you leave it on standard, you won't be the first one to be notified if there's over-the-air update. But if you switch to advanced, that way when there is software update available for you, you will be the first one to be notified. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and taking the time to properly set up your Tesla for the safest and most enjoyable driving experience possible. By following the steps outlined in this video, you have taken an important step towards ensuring your safety on the road, as well as enhancing your overall driving experience. I hope that you enjoy your new Tesla and look forward to hearing about your adventures on the road. Please leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.